capital A. The regime. Goddamn, okay. Time flies, but we're dope as usual. Making friends, cause my mind is so musical. You can enjoy your life from a cubicle. Get up, get out, can't you see it's so beautiful? We lifted, we vibing. You missed it, rewind it. We lifted, we vibing. You listen, we rhyming. Back in 02, I was having the most fun. Watching cartoons, eating cinnamon toast crunch. Sleeping till noon, never having a focus. No stress too, man, the shit was the dopest. Whatever I rap and the shit is atrocious, but I didn't give a fuck at the time when I wrote this. Y'all hoping I'm choking, jealousy made more opponents. Go into the morning, loathing cause I'm zoning in on a dream. All I need is a simple beat of history, the rest is all history. I show the homes a mystery, the misdemeanor miss me. Staying fresh on Listerine, pool housewives can miss it clean. Now put your hands together, I'm the knight in shining armor. Go and win it all while you bitch about the karma. Fertilize your mind, you think I was a farmer, but I'm too damn clean, so they call me Arnold Palmer. You living life wrong if you do it for the money. I do it for the smile, so my life stay funny. Telling jokes for a while, so I guess that's why they love me. There go to press down, same money, call you honey. Damn. Time flies, but we're dope as usual. Making friends, cause my mind is so musical. You can enjoy your life from a cubicle. Get up, get out, can't you see it's so beautiful? We lifted, we vibing. You missed it, rewind it. We lifted, we vibing. You listen, we rhyming. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna attract everything that I need, only using my Mac. Vocab, extreme, walker, almanac. Only one shot, I ain't falling back. Look, they calling me Rosetta Stone. I'm so literate. Now we got Rosetta Stone. She musta took a hit of it. You chillin' at your crib, I'm chillin' in the back cave. I kick it with the illest like a kid who snuck backstage. I stay dope, use a bitch I can't have. Will you find being average? I ain't gonna go that way. No death and destruction, just life and that loving. One breath like it's nothing, can't sec, I am frontin'. You check my McLovin and tell me that something was sec while I'm pumping corruption to the munchkins. No crown on my head, but I'm feeling like royalty. Swag of a prince, no these dragons ignore me. I spit fire too, so they say they want some more of me. Ask for a haiku, then it all just come pouring free. I apologize, it's just my indication. Born to this world so I can bring you all this entertainment. I'ma be the one of peace, like this a meditation. You be on a whack-ass team, call that confederation. See, we all got our hardships. Mind your own business and that will take you far, bitch. Restart it to the part when they said I was retarded, but that's when I departed to prove my intelligence like celibate elephants. I don't give a fuck, just for the hell of it.